Okay, so welcome to the tutorial for the setup for farmer launch, which is basically the launch that takes you from here to over here. This is 2 minutes faster than walking the entire bridge for any percent, and I will say this is not a setup in the traditional way, not in the sense of Apollo launch, because here you can set it up and then just press forward and let go. You can't do that here because of this brick wall, so you will have to do some inputs mid setup, so it makes it way harder, but I'll still explain it. So to start off, you don't want to break this sign right here, which the speed limit. You don't want to break that because it is pretty essential to just locate yourself. And what you're gonna do first of all is you look here, there is the red light. The corner of the red light is right on the corner of this line. As you can see, there are lines on the entire pavement. Well, you're gonna just make those two be on the same point, and then what you're gonna do is a way I like to set up things so that it's always the same is I turn the camera around and then I press the gas, so it will always make the same angle. And what you're looking for here is make it so the fourth dot on top of Hanker lines up with the door at this hotel. So as you can see right now, let me check. Right now it is perfect. It's completely lined up. If you can see, I'll do it again. See how it's like completely tangent to the door. So if you get those two things right, then you can do this. You back up until the tire gets at the end of the pavement. This is for just more speed, and then what you're gonna do is just press forward and with the joystick just turn to the left once you are about to get to hit the water. So I'll do it right now and I'll say when I turn left. So left, and the angle was pretty bad, but I think I got the speed. Oh, never mind, I'm actually at what the heck. So if I had gotten more speed I would have gone here, but I'm not sure why I got like no speed, but it was good, so I will try again. Now I've been testing doing this just OG without actually doing what I just explained, and it didn't make much difference, but I still wanted to share that setup, the one where you line this up and this, which I actually just got pretty fast. Nice. But the problem with the setup that I just explained is right this, what just happened here, and that is that you don't get enough speed 99% of the time. I got over here the first time, over here second time. So what I've been doing lately, or at least the way I've gotten the launches to farmer, have been by doing the OG and just turning left. And the only way that you're gonna get the launch to farmer is if the car bounces and it lands like on its four wheels at the same time on the water. So I don't know why the setup doesn't work. Maybe it's because you don't have enough speed. Let me try like this. Yeah, that, right, that. And now when it falls, it should right there put you in a perfect angle for the farm. Right now I didn't get much speed, but Most of the time it does give you the speed with this technique. So I'll try a couple more times without saying anything else, because I already said everything that I had to say. I actually want to try though the setup, but taking like more speed, maybe that helps. Oh. Perfect. Let me just back up. Okay, so I know what the problem is. I am landing back on my four wheels too slowly. If that happened faster, I would get way more speed and would actually make the gap between Farmer and Cherry Tree Hills. So this is basically the idea. As you can see, the fact of getting a launch is I got a launch every time, but well, never mind. This is the first time I don't get a launch. But yeah, getting a launch is consistent. Getting enough speed is the problem. I'm not sure if on PC it's easier to get that speed. It probably is. Or it may have to do with me being on handheld. I'm not sure. I'll have to try this on TV and handheld. And my game crashed. So yeah, that's basically it. I started doing this today, so I didn't expect a 100% working setup. So yeah, that's it.